Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how you can actually remove the comments in your blog or even add them. So, first of all, make sure that your WordPress, you are on your WordPress account and you are on your dashboard or website. How you can do that? Basically, you can just go to wordpress.com/wp-admin and put your informations from login and username and password. So here, let's check, for example, here. Read more. Okay, that took us to another page. Wait, let's see some page that we've done. This one, blog. Okay, for example, this one. Here I made this page, this blog that looks like that, tutorial, and something like that, Let's click on it, and here you can see the comment section. So how you can actually remove it or add it? Basically, it's pretty simple. You remove it by F12 and selecting it. If you are so good with HTML, you can just go here, do something like that, remove this whole section by going here, display none, and it will be removed. But of course you will have to add it to your HTML file. So how you can do it? Go to your dashboard, and let's close this from here. Go to your appearance and theme editor. From here we'll have the HTML code source and you will be able to edit it. So search for the comment section here, and from here you can remove it. Also, you can get in here for the comment section in this dashboard page, click on it and click on here, and then what you could do is unapprove and remove it. So yeah guys, and of course you can add some users permissions from here. That's only you, for example, can add comments and others can't add comments. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and see you next tutorial. Bye bye.